Hello everyone, my name is Filma Almirol and today I will presenting my industry benchmark research on Manulife. I choose Manulife because it aligns with my career interests in office administration and finance. This presentation will cover my self-assessment result, SWOT analysis, company research, and key insights based on industry research. For my key test result and comparison, to be better understand my strength and career fit, I took multiple self-assessment tests. My personality test identifies me as an ENTJ or ESTJ, meaning I have a strong leadership, organizational, and strategic thinking skills. My emotional intelligence test show that I am self-aware but need improvement in work relationship management. My career aptitude test suggests that I am best suited for roles in finance, administration, and event planning. This result confirmed that office administration and finance at Manulife align well with my abilities and interests. For my SWOT analysis, I conducted a SWOT analysis to evaluate my strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. My strength includes leadership, problem solving, and efficiency. However, I recognize that I need to improve my patience, emotional intelligence, and ability to manage perfectionism. The financial industry offers great opportunities for networking and career growth, but I must be aware of challenges such as industry competition, potential burnout, and the need to continuously develop my skills. Why Manulife? I selected Manulife because it is one of the leading financial services companies in Canada and the Philippines. It is known for its innovative approach, strong financial stability, and commitment to employee growth. By researching Manulife, I can better understand the skills and qualities needed for success in finance and administration. This company also offers structured career development programs, which match my long-term professional goals. For my interview question and insights, this is research based. And take note, these insights are based on secondary research and publicly available information, and this is not a direct interview. Since I was not unable to conduct a direct interview, I gathered insights from industry research and publicly available reports. I analyzed common industry trends to answer key questions about working in office administration and finance. For my question number 1, can you describe a typical day in your role? The key insights from research is typical day, managing financial processes, client, client communication, and data organization. For my question number 2, what skills and qualifications are most important for success in this career? The key insights is key skills, attention to detail, communication, and organization. For question number 3, what are the biggest challenges you face in your job? The key insights from research is challenges, high workload, deadlines, industry competition. And for my question number 4, what do you enjoy most about your job? And what do you find most rewarding? The key insights from research is advice focus on professional development and build strong relationship. For organizational behavior concept, Manulife applies key organizational behavior principle in its work culture. Leadership and decision-making are essential for financial planning and business management. Employees stay motivated through career development programs and incentives. Communication is a key factor in daily operations, ensuring smooth coordination across teams. Understanding this concept helps me prepare for a future career in office administration and finance. Conclusion and key takeaways. In conclusion, my research confirmed that Manulife is a strong fit for my career goals. Office administration and finance requires leadership, organization, and adaptability, which align with my skills. Moving forward, I will focus on continuous learning, networking, and improving my relationship management skills to ensure success in this field. Throughout this presentation, I applied organizational behavior concept by analyzing personality traits, job behavior, and decision-making strategies within Manulife. The insights gained align with the key learning outcomes such as understanding workplace emotions, evaluating business environments, and identifying strategies for career success. For my references, the information presented in this report is based on publicly available research, companies' websites, and career assessment tests. Since this analysis does not include a first-hand interview, I have relied on industry insights to understand my career expectation and professional development strategies. Thank you for your time, and I appreciate the opportunity to present my research.